Coach get a discount though. You know, Coach get a discount.
What's Coach discount?
We can do that. That's fine with me. All right, the hoodie or the shirt. Okay. What's up with it?
When you get that?
I got that too. I got 2X on them. I only got 2 more left. I got the 2 more left. The 2X is 35. Bet. What you want? 2X one? Okay. Hey, 2X shirt. Yeah, it's something. I got a little glitch over here. I'm gonna have to move around after. I see it keep messing up a little bit. Glad y'all staying though. What's up with it?
You know they do, goddamn. When I supposed to look at racing, baby.
Yeah, I already know. They already said you the intro and the outro.
Goddamn right.
On my videos. Yeah.
Y'all gotta subscribe, baby.
Okay, bet.
Look at racing.
Travis, I see you. I got about 1 more left.
Hey, man, I just gotta say, y'all check it out, man. Hold up for a minute.
Boom. We got the Lookout Racing.
I just got my Lookout Racing gear right there, man. My man, Lookout.
Already, man. I got you, Travis.
Holla at it, man. I'm good.
It got something on the back, too. It got something on the back. Go on, show on the back side one time.
I ain't trying to unfold it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, don't unfold it.
Tyrone.
Yeah, let him see
That's
from
the Lookout
Tyrone.
Racing shirt
Look
right
out. Yeah, man. Got Funky Town.
That's the Lookout model right there. Tyrone.
Yeah.
Funky Town.
Hey.
Hey, where you going?
They finna redo it, y'all. They finna redo it. 777 versus AMP Performance. You got the red one again? Yeah, they probably ain't even did nothing to the tune. He said they tuner is a god over there. What's up with it, man? How you been, man? Oh, what's up, Luke Duke? That's you?
Yeah, that's me, baby.
Man, I be listening to you on here all the time, man. Got Luke Duke in the building, man. He be always on my channel, man. He don't mind sending a comment. He don't mind putting a like. Here's my boy right here. He be on. I be wondering who he is, man.
Yeah, baby, in the flesh,
Here
baby.
he go, man. I got Souk Mike back. You remember Souk Mike?
I saw the video.
Yeah, Souk Mike. He on here today.
Oh, okay.
He on here today. He came back, man. It been a minute.
House, man. Come see some of this good racing, man.
Yeah, man. We out here doing it.
Boy, man.
That's Candyman in the white, y'all. Right lane for the win, man. Right lane for the win. He done lost 2 times today. That took 2 L's. He was too asleep at the light, right? You think he can get him? He on sleep or what? Or he still ain't got enough power? They say, hey, we need Tanner the God to come give him some more tune power. He ain't got enough, man. It's AMP versus 777. I don't know if old boy over there got 700 horsepower to the wheels. When I looked on Stapleton 42 channel, they said he got 800 horsepower. So, I don't know. They say he got 800, I don't know. AMP make cars move, man. They say he a god too.
Look out, where was you at? Oh, no.
Man, Sam Miller. I mean, I'm from Dallas, Texas, where Sam Miller at. So I gotta represent Sam Miller. I see a Candyman coming, Stapleton 42. They got their big YouTube channel and all that. Whoop de whoop. They saying they got this much horsepower, but hey, man. And they say He say his tune is a god, so hey, we need to call God. We need to send a prayer. We need to send a prayer one time. Please give him more horsepower so he can go ahead and win him a race. Cause we don't want to be making it look like he got 800 horsepower getting beat by something that only got about 650. So, amen. Do I think I can beat? Yeah, my car fast enough to whoop Candyman.
Where you at?
It was fast enough before I took it in the shop to whoop Candyman. I don't think he messing with me. Somebody put the prayer hands on her.
Good 5 on the inside.
Nah, I like this side. He got a full drag pack. The other side got a stock wheel in the front. I mean, he probably ain't got no money. Yeah, I got the black one too. Please give him some more horsepower. Coming up here next. Okay, bet.
They haven't started the event, huh?
It still ain't started.
Say, Quinn.
Huh?
Where the hell Bud at?
I ain't seen him in about a month and a half.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he was getting a badass system put in his car last time I seen him.
Man, he still got that goddamn Camaro in the backyard.
Man, they need to go and let me do something with that damn
Don't
thing.
sell it to me till I'm ready. Come on.
Mom, he ready for your Camaro, man. Go on sell it to him.
Yeah.
Go on sell him the Camaro.
Ready for it.
Lo, you done made some money?
Yeah. Yeah. Made 60. I done paid for that $25 ass shirt.
Okay, bound. He getting everything free today. Free to get in, free shirts and shit.
You goddamn right. Guys trying to get their ass.
I'm ready for the shootout. They ain't started. No, I don't think the roller sold yet, man. Low get his truck fixed.
Who is that?
Zach. People just be following here.
Who?
His name's Zach.
Oh.
Nah, he ain't got his truck
Yeah,
fixed
got it.
yet, man. He almost got it fixed.
Look at that front end of that
Yeah.